Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset via settings on REALME Note 70T. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down. Click System and Update. And right at the bottom we have Reset Phone. You can click on that, and as you can see, once again at the bottom we have Clear all data permanently. So let's go with that. Now we are checking few things, and as you can see, we are currently have few things. For example, we'll basically erase everything. Our Google account, our system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, other data. Now, you might probably see that we are currently signed in into following accounts, and this won't really remove them, this will just sign out of them. So, all we want to do is simply clear all data. Though, if you are scared about your data, I would also advise you to just go into your system and update and just click backup and set up your backup, probably via Google. Anyway, I will go with Reset Phone, clear all data permanently, and simply clear all data. We have to input our current password in order to do it, and we are asked once and again, final time, if we are sure that we want to do it. Well, we want to do it. We'll hit erase all data, and now our phone reboots itself. And now the process is probably taking too long. I'm not entirely sure how long it will take, but I will basically pause the recording. See you after it's done. And as you can see, it did take a couple of minutes. I did pause the recording, but the hard reset is complete and we can now set up our device. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.